Hi. Do you look at items in your home and ask yourself, do I really need this? Have you ever looked at an item and thought, I don't even use it, so why can't I let it go? Because sentimental clutter is usually not about the object. It's about what the object represents. It could be a vacation that you took, a memory with a family member that maybe has passed away. I'm Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing. We help people declutter their faith, their home, and their business. And today we're talking about one of the hardest part of downsizing, and it's the sentimental clutter. And that part hits all of us at some way or another. Sentimental items are tied to memories, who you think you are, who you wish you could have been, or who you were in the past, grief, relationships, milestones, and fear of forgetting. Maybe it's forgetting something that you've done or someone. That's why decluttering them feels really emotional. The biggest fear people have is, if I let this go, I'll lose something like the memory or the person, or, you know, something is attached to that. But memories do not live inside an object. The object simply reminds us of something meaningful. And you can honor your life without keeping every single item. You can honor the memory without keeping the item. Keep one meaningful item instead of 20. Photograph children's artwork. Digitize old papers. Create one memory box. Frame meaningful recipes or letters. Curating memories is different than storing everything. And you can also take a picture of the item and remember both. So let's go ahead and talk about, many people keep items out of guilt. For example, gifts they never liked, inherited items that they don't use or like, expensive purchases that didn't quite work out, but it was expensive. But keeping something out of guilt usually creates stress instead of peace. Now, ask yourself, do I truly love this? Does this represent an important memory? Does it fit in my home? Does it fit in my aesthetic? Do I like it? Would a photo preserve this memory? Am I keeping this out of guilt? Would someone else benefit from this more? I used it. Now someone else can use it. Now, here are some healthier ways to preserve memories without drowning in clutter. Digitize photos. Create one keepsake bin per child. Scan handwritten recipes. Create photo books. Pass meaningful heirlooms down intentionally. Display favorite pieces instead of storing everything. Now, sometimes clutter is connected to grief. People hold on to belongings because letting go feels like losing the person again. Now, if that's you, be gentle with yourself. Give yourself some grace. You are allowed to move into a new season without carrying every physical reminder from the previous one. What sentimental item is hardest for you to let go? Why don't you put that down in the comments? And subscribe, because this channel is here to help overwhelmed families simplify life with compassion and practical systems. Your memories matter. Your loved one matters. Your peace matters. And sometimes simplifying your environment creates more room to fully live in the present instead of the past. Sentimental clutter is one of the hardest parts of decluttering and downsizing. Now, in this video, we are here to help you, and you can subscribe for more tips and topics. You can call me for in-person or virtual help with your home, business, and maybe something that you're going through. But thank you so much for watching. And if this helped you, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share it or share it with someone else that needs to hear this video.